right now is the perfect time to buy stocks and get rich in the future, since the prices are so low. In fact, they are so low that they're even lower than the 2008 financial crisis, or that little stock market drop. So if you want to get rich in the future, now is the perfect time to be investing, because you could buy stocks for very low discounts. I'm talking about like Microsoft going almost $200, and now it's going for like what, 150. And then some other stocks that have been crushed by this coronavirus situation. So all I'm saying is, man, like if you want to get rich, you might as well start investing right now. It's like shit. My bad. Who knows if the stock market is going to keep going down? But if it does, then you just buy more stocks and then just average cost down to see like a better return later in the future, because this little market crash right now, it's not permanent. It's always gonna be coming back. It's gonna jump up. So like I'm saying, bro, like now is the perfect time. Just got home from coming back from school, but the market closed down, and yet again I closed down negative. So let me show you my numbers, and then what I also bought in the big dip, in fact. So let me just show you real quick. Now, excuse the mess that I have with all the apps, the clutter that I have, but let me show you the app. This is Robinhood, which is like a pretty much a free trading app. It's a trading brokerage, so you don't pay any commission when you trade. As you can see, I am slightly even from the day before, but I am still very negative. As you can see, in the 1 month chart, I am down. My old time that I was getting back up was that. But as you can see, I am almost down 370, which is almost a 20% move. But I bought two stocks, 2.6 shares of AT&T for $95. Oh, and you could also use fractional shares, which you could buy like, let's say if you wanted to buy $100 worth of AT&T, you could do that, and then you could just whatever. But I'm not gonna put none since the market is closed. The other one that I bought was Starbucks for $50, and then I also bought Disney for 126. I recently just bought 3.35 shares of Stag, which is gonna be a monthly dividend. But let me just show you what I'm gonna be getting from dividends. Now, as you can see on my dividends app, I am almost near $100 in annual dividend income, and I'm so close to hitting $25 of each quarter. But as I said before, I want to have $100 in each quarter. So my estimate will be that I will need to invest like almost $10,000 just to hit that. But as you can see, my current yield, my dividend yield is a $4.97, and I'm gonna show you the effects of compound interest. So compound interest is you pretty much leave your money invested, and if you don't touch it, it'll start accumulating on itself until whenever you decide to cash out. But as you can see, I already put up all the stocks that I have. Almost hit $100, and the little projection, as you can see. But let me show you the compound interest that I I could get if I just leave my money as it is, with a current market value of $3,076 and a yield of 4.97. So let me just go to a compound interest calculator. Now let's say if I leave my money for 10 years without even touching or even adding more money to it, I should be getting, let's say for 10 years, let me see the price for that. So the future value will be almost $5,000 in 10 years without doing anything, which will pretty much mean almost getting $2,000 for just not doing anything, just letting it work by itself, reinvesting the dividends. And then if you're curious about what dividends are, they're pretty much the companies pretty much pay you just to hold the stocks. It's a little profit that they share to the investors, the shareholders, for just maintaining the stocks. But yeah, so if you really want to make a lot of money right now, it's the perfect time, since like I said before, the market are at a all-time low. You could buy stocks for very cheap. Let me show you one example, which is Disney. So as you can see, it's trading for 118. I could buy more, but I think I'll pass on it for right now. But as you can see, just on February 5th, it was at 147, which is almost a $30 drop. But like way before, it was more. As you can see the chart, like it's at a huge drop, and then the all-time high was 153. So like you can see the drop in price. So they always tend to go up and then up, and then they'll always come back down. It's never gonna be a going up pattern. So just expect for your money to go up and down. Don't let that scare you though, because you never know. You could just average cost down, and then in the future, just hope that company does well, so it could make you money. And also you want to like look for a company that have good dividends, like AT&T. It has a 5.61% yield, which is not bad. So I'm just trying to increase my position on AT&T, which I hope I will have 100 shares. But if I want to show you how much it will cost me, I pretty much have 10 shares right now. So if I buy that, I will have to spend $3,205 just to get 100 shares. So with time, I'll get there. But right now, since I'm still working, I'm just going to save up. But I'm not going to be aggressive with what I spend. I mean, with what I invest, because I have stuff in life that are going on right now. So I just want to clear that out as to why I haven't been recording for the past more than a month. So let me see if I could do something different with editing today, so I could upload the video, and then I hope you guys enjoy it. So just stay tuned for the next video, and then I should also bring up some other topics like your credit score, what to do with your tax return, how to invest, what else, and anything like that involves money. Like, I know I'm not the best, but I could give my ideas or my perspective on things. So but yeah, anyways, that's what I have for today. So I hope you guys have a great weekend. Hope for Monday that the markets go a little lower, so you could get in.